Hello viewers, you might realize that Fridays is a day when released YouTubes are done pretty fast without much explanation for those who want a quick version. And this is the question of the day. Solve 3 over x plus 4 over y equals 10 and 2 over x minus 1 over y equals 3. If I find common denominators, it can become tricky with x times y. So a little trick is I let a equal 1 over x and I let b equal 1 over y. And now we've got 3 times 1 over x is 3a, plus 4 times 1 over y is 4b equals 10. And then 2 lots of 1 over x is 2a minus b, 1 over y is b equals 3. There's our two equations. I can see if I multiply this equation by 4, we'll have the same number of b's. So all the terms times 4, that becomes 8a. The minus b times 4 is minus 4b, and 3 times 4 is 12. Now, if left equals right and left equals right, left plus left must equal right plus right. 3a plus 8a is 11a. 4b minus 4b disappears. 10 plus 12 is 22. Divide each side by 11. A equals 2. Now solve for a. I plug that 2 in this equation. That's to solve for b. 4 minus b equals 3. I bring the 3 to this side, make it negative, put that minus b, that's how it becomes plus b. B is equal to 1. Therefore, if a equals 2, 1 over x is 2. We flip it, x equals 1 over 2. If b equals 1, that's 1 over y equals 1. You flip, you still get 1. So x is a half and y equals 1. You'll notice that I wrote it out ahead of time. I know it's more professional to actually write while teaching, but it's really not neat. I tried more than once. In fact, I won't be shy. I'll publish my failed attempts so you can see. It's much neater if I write it ahead of time. And thank you all for watching.